Welcome to English Travel Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at a big supermarket. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between a couple, Ken and Lily, and a shop worker. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. Where do you find the newest milk on the shelf? At the front or at the back? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Okay, we are here. The supermarket is open.
Good. It is not too busy this morning.
No, it is nice and quiet. That is good for us.
Did you bring the list this time?
Yes, I have the shopping list right here.
Great. I always forget the list at home.
I know you do, so today I keep it safe.
Thank you. That is a good plan.
Let's get a cart first. We need a lot today.
Okay. Look at this. You need a coin for the cart.
A coin? Really? That is new to me.
Yes, in some countries you put a coin in the cart.
And then what happens to the coin?
When you bring the cart back, you get your coin back.
Oh, that is smart. So people always return them.
Right. The parking area stays clean and tidy.
Nobody leaves a cart in the middle of the road.
Exactly. One small coin helps everyone.
I like that idea. Here is a coin for you.
Thank you. Now the cart is free to move.
It moves well. The wheels are not stuck.
Good. Some carts have one bad wheel.
Yes, and it pulls to one side.
This one is fine. It goes straight.
Then we are lucky today. Let's start.
Wait, do we need a basket too?
No, the cart is big enough for everything.
You are right. The cart will hold it all.
Let me read the list one more time.
Okay, what do we need today?
We need fruit, vegetables, cheese, and bread.
That is a lot already. Is there more?
Yes, a frozen pizza, some milk, and butter.
Good. That will fill the cart for the week.
It will. Let's go in order, one part at a time.
Where should we start first?
The fruit and vegetables are near the door.
Then we walk this way. Follow me.
Wait, take a small bag for the vegetables too.
Good idea. I have it now.
Perfect. Push the cart slowly, please.
Okay. Let's go shopping.
Look at all this fruit. The colors are so bright.
Yes, red apples, yellow bananas, green vegetables.
When I see all these colors, I always feel hungry.
Then you buy too much food.
I know. That is my problem every time.
Do you know why the fruit is near the door?
No. Why is it here at the front?
The bright colors make people feel happy.
And happy people buy more.
Yes, happy and a little hungry, so they buy more.
So the store puts the fruit here on purpose.
Right. It is a small trick, but it works.
It works on me every single time.
I can see that. Look at your face.
Okay. Let's just take some apples.
Take 6 red apples. They look fresh.
Done. They feel firm and heavy. That is good.
Yes, firm and heavy ones are usually fresh.
Nice tip. And some bananas for the morning.
Take the yellow ones, not the green ones.
Why not the green ones?
Green bananas are not ready to eat yet.
I see. The yellow ones are ready now.
Right. We need tomatoes too. They are over there.
These tomatoes are nice and red. How many?
4 is enough. Put them in the small bag.
Okay. Should we get some carrots as well?
Good idea. Carrots are cheap and they last long.
2 bags of carrots then. Into the cart.
We also need some onions for cooking.
How many onions should I take?
Just 3. They last a long time.
Okay. Into the bag they go.
And maybe 1 box of mushrooms.
Mushrooms are nice in pasta. Got them.
Great. That is all the vegetables we need.
The cart is filling up fast now.
One more thing. We need some lettuce too.
Here's a green one. It looks very fresh.
Now we can cross the vegetables off the list.
Great. What is next on the list?
Next is the cheese. Let's find the deli.
The deli counter is near the bread, I think.
Let's walk that way and ask the staff. Hello. Can I have some cheese, please?
Of course. How much would you like?
Just a little, please. Enough for 2 people.
Okay. This soft cheese is very good today.
That looks nice. What does it taste like?
It is mild and a little sweet, not too strong.
That sounds perfect. I will take that one.
Good choice. How thick would you like it?
Thin slices, please. We will use it for sandwiches.
No problem. Here you are. Is that enough?
Yes, that is just right. Thank you.
You're welcome. It is a very good cheese.
Can you wrap it in paper, please?
Of course. Paper keeps the cheese fresh.
Thank you. Should I keep it cold at home?
Yes, put it in the cold part of your fridge.
I will. How long will it stay good?
About 1 week if you keep it cold.
Perfect. That is enough time for us.
Good. Here is your cheese in paper.
Good. It smells like fresh bread here. So good.
Yes, we bake the bread here every morning.
You make it inside the store? I did not know that.
Many stores do. The smell makes people hungry.
So the smell helps you sell more food.
That is right. A warm smell brings people in.
That is clever. I came for cheese. Now I want bread.
It works every day. The bread is still warm.
Then I will take one. 1 small bread, please.
Here, fresh from this morning. It is still soft.
Thank you. My partner will be happy too.
Is he shopping with you today?
Yes, he is waiting at the frozen food.
Then go quickly. Cold food likes a cold place.
True, he is holding the cart for me.
Here is your cheese and your bread. All ready.
Thank you so much. You are very kind.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. The bread smells so good. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Please come again soon.
Now, let's take a short break here. We are going to practice some useful words from today's video. We have 5 words today. Are you ready? Let's begin. The first word is list, meaning a list shows the things you want to buy. For example, I made a list before going to the store. The second word is cart, meaning a cart is a metal basket on wheels. For example, I put all the food in the cart. The third word is frozen, meaning frozen food is kept very cold and hard. For example, we bought a frozen pizza for dinner. The fourth word is dairy, meaning dairy means milk, cheese, and butter. For example, the dairy section has fresh milk. The fifth word is discount, meaning a discount makes the price lower. For example, the chocolate was on discount today.
Great work! That's all for today's word practice. Now, let's go back to Ken and Lily at the frozen food section.
There you are. Did you get the cheese?
Yes, and warm bread too. Smell it.
That smells great. Good idea.
Marco at the cheese counter was very kind.
That is nice. Now we are at the frozen food.
It is so cold here. I can feel the cold air.
Yes, let's grab the frozen pizza fast.
Here is one. But wait, is frozen food bad for us?
No, not at all. Frozen vegetables can be very good.
Really? I always thought fresh was better.
They freeze the vegetables fast, right after picking.
So the good things stay inside the vegetables?
Yes, they stay healthy, sometimes as good as fresh.
That is good to know. I will stop worrying.
Frozen food also lasts a long time. We can keep it.
True. We do not have to use it all today.
Right. Let's take some frozen vegetables too.
Good plan. These green ones look nice.
And they are easy. We can cook them any day.
No washing, no cutting, just heat them.
Exactly. That saves us a lot of time.
Frozen vegetables are good in a hurry.
Yes, on a busy night they help a lot.
We can make soup with them quickly.
That is true. Soup is easy and warm.
I like warm soup on a cold day.
Me too. Let's get peas and corn as well.
Good idea. Peas and corn are sweet.
Into the cart they go. Nice and easy.
I love that. Put 2 bags in the cart.
Done. The pizza and the vegetables are in.
What about some frozen fruit for the morning?
Good idea. We can put it in our morning drinks.
Take 1 bag of frozen berries then.
Got it. Now the cart is getting full.
Let's close the cold door. My hands are freezing.
Mine too. Let's move to a warm place.
Next on the list is milk. The dairy is this way.
Okay, follow me to the dairy section.
Right behind you. Let's keep going. Here we are. This is the dairy section.
Yes, milk, cheese, and butter, all in one cold place.
We need 2 bottles of milk. Here they are.
Wait, don't take the front one. Take from the back.
From the back? Why does that matter?
I always take the milk from the back. It is a little trick.
A trick? Please tell me.
In many stores, the newest milk is at the back.
And the older milk is in the front?
Yes, stores want to sell the older one first.
So they put the older milk where we reach first.
Right. If you want the newest milk, reach to the back.
I never knew that. I always took the front one.
Now you know. Check the date here. Do you see it?
Oh, the back one is newer by 5 days.
5 days is a big difference for milk.
You are right. Let's take the 2 newest bottles.
Good. Now we have fresh milk for the week.
My mother always checked the date before buying.
That is a good habit. It only takes a second.
True. A quick look saves you trouble later.
There is also cream next to the milk.
Do we need cream this week?
Just a small one for coffee in the morning.
Okay, take the small bottle of cream.
Got it. The coffee will taste better.
It will. I like a little cream in mine.
Same here. Now back to the list.
Right. What else do we need?
We also need butter for the bread.
Good memory. The butter is right here.
Take 1 box. That is enough for the week.
Should we get some yogurt as well?
Yes, let's get 2. They're good for breakfast.
Okay.
Plain yogurt is healthy and cheap.
Put them next to the milk so they stay cold.
Done. Now the cart is almost full.
Let me check the list. What is left?
Nothing else. We have everything now.
Great. Let's head to the checkout.
Okay, that is everything on the list.
Great. Let's go to the checkout and pay.
This line is short. Let's wait here.
Good. We do not have to wait long.
Look at all the candy next to the line.
Yes, there is so much of it, right by the door.
Oh, and this chocolate is on discount today.
Nice. How much is the discount?
It is half price. That is a good price.
Then let's take one. Half price is great.
Have you noticed? The candy here is all down low.
You are right. It is near the floor.
Why do they put it down there?
That is on purpose. Think about small children.
Oh, children can see the candy easily.
Yes. Then they ask their parents to buy it.
That is smart. The store thinks of everything.
It does, but the chocolate is a great price.
It is. We can enjoy it after dinner.
We walked around the whole store today.
We did, and our cart is very full now.
It is, but we needed all of these things.
That is true. Nothing here is a waste.
So, what should we make for dinner tonight?
Let's start with the frozen pizza. It is quick and easy.
Good idea. And a fresh salad with the lettuce.
Perfect. A warm dish and a fresh one together.
We can also use the tomatoes in the salad.
Yes, and a little cheese from Marco on top.
That sounds great. I'm getting hungry now.
You are always hungry. Okay, it is our turn now.
I will put everything up here for the worker.
I will pack the bags. We brought our own bags.
Good. Heavy things at the bottom, please.
Of course. The bread and tomatoes go on top.
The total is on the screen. We can pay by card.
Done. We got everything and a discount too.
A good day. We have food for the whole week.
Let's go home and make dinner.
Sounds good. The frozen pizza first.
Of course. Let's go home.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. Where do you find the newest milk on the shelf? At the front or at the back? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye!